get orange chicken today because
So what restaurant are we now?
Panda Express.
You have to show that to them.
So,
Turn
yeah.
the camera.
Hello guys, today we're coming to Panda Express to buy some orange chicken.
Sorry about
I
that, we're
just
gonna get
got
bread.
out of school.
Yeah, I would like to have
So,
some
my mom's
bowl of orange
ordering.
chicken.
Bowl of orange chicken. What were your side beyond that?
Fried rice, please.
Fries and orange chicken or anything else for you today?
Nope, that will be it.
Panda Express.
7:10 at the window.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Did you face it to you?
we are
Okay, put the picture.
about to get an orange chicken.
You have a good time at school?
Yeah, I had a good time at
Since you have an
school.
ace in your Spanish?
Yeah,
So say some.
I did a really good job on my Spanish test, so mom's buying me some orange chicken.
Because that's your favorite.
Yeah, I love orange chicken. Panda Express makes it really good.
Yeah.
Also,
And you have to eat the fried rice too, right?
yep,
It's okay if you don't finish it.
yeah, just eat some of it.
Yeah, you just eat. Last time that the fried rice of that I just eat the other day.
7:10 today.
Okay, so now we're heading home from Panda Express. We are getting pretty close because our house is very close to here.
Wow, that driver is scary.
Yeah,
You don't even
didn't
slow
even
down,
stop.
and I can see her car is a accident.
Yeah. We're making our way downtown, walking fast.
You can post it to your anak so that you can talk. Well, they talk at you.
Okay, so we're getting quite close to our house, and I'm excited to eat my orange chicken. I'll show you what it looks like once we get inside.
What is the
But
best?
It looks really good right now.
Yeah, what is the best?
It
Why is
smells
it
good.
that you like orange chicken?
I don't know. It just tastes really good. I like how it's kind of sweet and kind of like a little bit spicy, depending on how you cook it.
The sauce, right?
Yeah, I also like. Yeah, it's pretty much just the sauce.
We have to stop and get
So
that.
because, yeah, I can pick it up.
Okay. Start on that one. And here is Zachary. He's excited for his orange chicken. We have to open our place,
Door.
the door, everything. Close, open, close, open. That's the only way we can get in, right, buddy? And here is our place. We are in second floor. Wait. Pick it up. Zachary picked up all the mails from our mailbox.
And then drop it.
And then he just dropped it. And then he has to pick it up again.
Did you cook fish, Mom?
Huh?
Did you cook fish?
I cook shrimp paste. Yes. That smells good. I'll open the window, Herbie, or the sliding door. Because I'm sure Daddy, when he come home, he will ask something. What did you cook? Right?
Yep.
And I'll say, Zachary cooked some, not me. Oh, buddy. Alright, guys, we just got home.
Did
Here
you watch
we
videos
are.
on my phone?
Huh?
Did you watch videos on my phone?
The new upload I have.
Okay.
fine. Give Mama a kiss.
Okay.
Are you gonna eat now? Okay. Now he's gonna eat his orange chicken. Open it, buddy. Oh, that looks good. What's in there? Do you have your cookie?
Yeah.
Eat that one first.
Oh. I just want to open my fortune cookie.
Oh, well, what does your fortune cookie says?
For the enjoyment of life.
Can you explain that to me what that means?
No clue.
No clue? Why? Okay, you can eat now. Tell me how the taste. Wow, crunchy. So why is it I bought you an orange chicken? That's your prize.
Because I got perfect on my Spanish exam.
Yeah. So that's your prize, right? You better eat your fried rice. And I'll give you some. You have to drink water for that. So tomorrow is your happy day, right? Why?
Because Friday is the last day of school.
Yep. Do you have exams tomorrow? Alright, see something that you have to eat first.
Okay. I gotta go eat now. Bye.